Ah, this is the life. Early retirement, baby.
Leo, you're dreaming again. You don't even know how to budget.
Budget? Is that a breakfast item?
The 50-30-20th rule is simple. You divide your income into three parts: 50% for needs, 30% for wants, and 20% for savings or debt repayment.
So, 50% for pizza, 30% for video games, and 20% for, more pizza?
No, Leo. Needs are essential expenses, like rent, food, and utilities. Wants are for fun stuff like dining out or hobbies. The 20% is what gets you to early retirement.
20%? But what about my bowling league?
Well, unless you want to retire as a professional bowler, we need to talk. Let me show you how this works. If you earn $3,000 a month, 50%, or $1,500, goes to needs. That's your rent, groceries, and bills.
And $1,500 for pizza?
No. Next, 30%, or $900, is for your wants. That's your Netflix, hobbies, and yes, maybe a slice of pizza.
Finally, some pizza.
And the last 20%, $600, goes to savings or paying off debt. That's what will make your dream of sipping coconuts on a beach come true.
Wait, I have to save money to retire?
Let's make it easy. Use a budgeting app to track your expenses. Categorize them into needs, wants, and savings. And stick to it.
Or, you could just win the lottery like me.
Leo, your odds of retiring early are better with budgeting than gambling.
Budgeting it is, but can I still keep my bowling league?
Only if you score a strike on your savings.
Look, Sophie, I saved 20% this month. Retirement, here I come.
See? It's not so hard. Now pass me that coconut. Plan your future today with the 50-30-20th rule. Subscribe for more tips.